According to sources in the IT department, the IT department has launched a major crackdown on food adulteration. Target are companies involved in milk, ghee and edible oil production. As a part of this investigation, 12 food and drug firms are under the scanner. We have also learnt that such operations are underway across Delhi, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. The action follows FDA sharing adulteration data with pharma and fertilizer units next in line. My colleague Shrimi Chaudhary gets us all these exclusive details.
Absolutely, in a significant move, the Income Tax Department has launched enforcement action against companies allegedly involved in food and drug adulteration and widening the government's crackdown on unsafe food practices. In fact, sources told NDTV Profit that at least 12 companies dealing in products such as milk, ghee, vegetable oil and whey protein have come under the tax department scanner. In fact, search and survey operation already been initiated across Delhi, Rajasthan and UP and will soon reach to multiple cities. Now, what makes this action notable is the close coordination between the several departments, especially Food and Drug Administration, which recently shared intelligence data with the Income Tax Department after flagging adulteration in certain products. Now, this data sharing is said to have provided the initial trigger for the tax probe, but the Income Tax Department, of course, is going beyond the adulteration and looking into the financial trail behind it. Now, investigator began spotting patterns that did not add up in the company's book, and one of the major red flag being is the timing of the transaction. Several bills actually were adjusted near the end of the financial year, especially around January 31st, February 28th and the March 31st of last year. That period is actually used to square off the accounts before the books are actually closed. Besides, the transaction exceeding 1 crore with a single party were allegedly completed in one or just two entries and often close to year end raised further red flag. Books also showing use of a lot of round figures, especially in the high value transaction. Now, the department is also examining the TDS payment pattern. In some cases, all TDS was paid in a single month, and that were long gaps between the payments. So clearly, it's a developing story as we get to know more as investigation widen. But what we've been given to understand that the probe will soon reach to some of the companies in the fertilizer as well as pharma sector. So we will be, keeping track of the story and will bring you more as we get more information on the development.